easy steps to take a perfect shower routine. Welcome back to my channel, Glow Up Guide. Today, we're going to talk about something we all do every day, but might not always give much thought to. Creating a perfect shower routine is all about personal preference and ensuring you feel refreshed and ready for the day, or relaxed for the evening. So let's dive right in. Shower routine serves as a fundamental aspect of personal hygiene. Regular showers remove dirt, bacteria, and sweat from our body, preventing unpleasant odors and reducing the risk of skin infections. By cleansing the skin thoroughly, showers also helps to maintain clear and healthy skin, minimizing the occurrence of acne and other skin conditions. Beyond hygiene, a shower routine offers a valuable opportunity for relaxation and self-care. The warmth of the water and the soothing sense of shower products can have a calming effect on both the body and mind. This can be particularly beneficial after a long, stressful day, providing a moment of respite and rejuvenation. Taking the time to indulge in a shower routine allows individuals to prioritize their well-being and practice self-love. Establishing a shower routine is very essential as it fosters self-care habits, boosts self-esteem, and prepares individuals for the day ahead. Let's start. Pre-shower preparation. Step 1. Set the mood. Start by setting a comfortable water temperature. Not too hot to avoid drying out your skin, but warm enough to relax your muscles. Step 2. Preparation. Gather your shower essentials: shampoo, conditioner, body wash, face cleanser, razors, bath loofah, and any other products you use regularly. Step 3. Hair care. Wet your hair thoroughly with warm water. Apply a small amount of shampoo, about the size of a quarter for short hair, slightly more for longer hair, and lather gently. Rinse thoroughly with lukewarm water. If you use conditioner, apply it from mid-length to the ends of your hair. Let it sit for a minute or two before rinsing with cool water to seal the hair cuticle and add shine. Step 4. Body cleaning. Use a loofah, sponge, or washcloth with body wash to cleanse your skin, focusing on areas prone to sweat and odor, underarms, feet, etc. Rinse off thoroughly. Step 5. Face care. Use a gentle facial cleanser appropriate for your skin type. Gently massage onto damp skin using circular motions. Rinse your face with lukewarm water. Step 6. Shave if necessary. Apply shaving cream or gel to the areas you want to shave. Shave in the direction of hair growth to reduce irritation. Rinse off with warm water and pat dry. Step 7. Final rinse. Stand under comfortably warm water for a final rinse to ensure all products are washed away. Step 8. Moisturize. Pat your skin dry with a towel. Avoid rubbing vigorously. Apply a moisturizer or body lotion to damp skin to lock in moisture. Step 9. Post-shower care. Comb your hair gently to avoid tangles. Apply any additional skincare products you use, like serums or acne treatments. Step 10. Enjoy the benefits. Take a moment to enjoy the feeling of cleanliness and relaxation. Remember, your shower routine should be adjusted based on your skin type, hair type, and personal preferences. It's also a great opportunity to relax and unwind, so take your time and enjoy the experience. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to Glow Up Guide for more tips. Thanks for watching. See you next time.